Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with a second card for this week's look at the new online exclusive first release. They will be releasing online exclusive products now 3 times a year. This is the first one. There's actually more than one suite of products, but this is called Hey Irresistible. And the paper that you're showing, I showed you a very small piece of it yesterday because it was a cutout of the flowers. And here are some bigger chunks of the cardstock. Again, it is a 6x6, and it has in it, there's So Saffron, so I drew out the So Saffron, which is a retiring color. So we get to say goodbye to So Saffron after having it for, boy, 6 years? A very long time. I think it came out in 2017. So yeah, 6 years. So you can see in here, and then I'll show you the back side where you can see the watercolor wash goes from the white into the So Saffron and then into the Flirty Flamingo. I used a carrying over. I didn't get a chance to use this too much. This is a very beautiful, I think it came out in the holiday catalog. And it happens to go very nicely with some of the wash muted tones. So this is going to be carrying over, and it is called Satin Edged Ribbon with gold. And this is a very nice trim to color with your blends, and that is why I have it, because I know I can color it, and it just without any coloring went perfectly. Stitched So Sweetly, or is this label die here? This is one of my Mother's Day cards, and the Stitched So Sweetly we get to say goodbye to. That will be retiring as well. And then again, these little center frosted dots are currently unavailable, but you can see them on the site, and they will be getting them back in stock. This is a popped up floral element with popped over the top of another part of this pretty paper. I triple matted it, and I popped up the So Saffron and DSP layer, then left a wider mat of the white, and then on the inside I left it pretty simple with just a vertical strip. And that's all I've got for today. Leave any of your questions, comments, or concerns about this card, about the Hey Irresistible suite. If you need help finding it, let me know. I can. There will be links in the supplies going right to this product, the paper and the bundle for you. I will come back again later this week with one last card this week for this particular reveal, with a couple of other elements that might be coming or going. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.